I'd like to review the show dates and magnification functions in the collage because I don't think people are actually using them. So this is a brief 3-minute tutorial in how they work. If you bring up the organizer, I've brought up this case, and the organizer here is organized by tooth number, but I've already selected the images that I want and placed them in the user defined, so now I have them in a row. If I come up and I actually select the images, press Shift, this is the images that I want to place in the collage, and then I go to the collage and it loads those images. Now let's go ahead and configure our template. So the first template I want is a 2x2, and that places it and places the rest of the pages at 2x2, and that's fine. But this I want really 6 images because there are 6 images of the access cavity. So I go up to the template, pick the 6 pick template, and there they are. Then I go to page 4, and I want to go back to my 2x2 here. So I have that, then I have the pre-op and post-op, and then on page 6, I just want that as a single image. So now I have the template as I want. Now what I'd like to demonstrate is that you can control the black space around all of your images and make them uniform. So if I just simply collect on an image, use the scroll bar, it enlarges the image and fills more of the black space. I press Shift and I can move this anywhere that I want. Go to the next image, scroll, make it full square. Same here, select, scroll, Shift, position. Same thing here, enlarge. Now you'll notice the black space is getting lower, smaller, and all of my images are now centered. And now I have uniform black space all around. The other functionality is the show dates. So this is the pre-op and post-op. I want to show dates, so go up to Add Text, Show Labels. It automatically dates all of the images in your collage, so you don't have to do, and this makes it easier to make sense of the story that you're telling with your images. If you want frames around your images, you just use borders, and this puts borders around your images. So I hope that helps in understanding the functionality in the collage.